Hi, welcome to answersQ. Press the subscribe button and the bell icon to get more updates about free online courses, course answers, and internships.
Hi friends, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to see about the free online courses offered by the St. George University. Before going into the video, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you will get a notification whenever I upload a video. And you can also connect with me on social media platforms like Telegram and WhatsApp. I'll give you all the link in description. Check it out. Now let's go to the content of this video. So St. George University is an international university well known for its courses in medicine and health sciences. They also offer courses under arts and science. So they are offering some free online courses through the SGU platform. That is what they call as St. George University online program. So through this online program, they are offering free courses, and for a few courses you can get a free certificate as well. So let's see what are the free courses and how to enroll in and what is the registration process now. So the first step is to create an account in this website. So this is the home page and you can see here a button register. Simply click on it and you will see this create an account, in which you have to give your email ID and you have to give your full name and give a username and choose a password. And after giving these 4 details and checking this box, you will have to give further details like your date of birth, gender, country of residence, and your highest educational qualification. And once you have given all those details, click on create account. So let me log into my account and catch up after that. So now I have logged into my account. Once you log into your account, you will be directed to your dashboard, in which you will be seeing my courses. Now it's showing that you are not enrolled in any courses yet, because I just created my account now. And one more thing which I forgot to tell you in the registration process is, once you give your details and click on create account, you will be getting a mail like this from SGU Online, that is St. George University Online. You will get a mail like this, in which you have to click on the link that you get and verify your email address. So once you complete all the registration process and verifying your email, you are good to go and enroll in the courses. So now let's see what are the courses available in this platform, St. George University Online. So let's click on explore courses here. So now in this course catalog, you can see all the courses that are offered by St. George University Online. So you have climate and health, one medicine, a sustainable approach, refugee and migrant health, a global perspective. You have an examination of coronavirus COVID-19 on few more courses. But the drawback is you won't get a certificate for all of these courses, only for few courses, like for this one, an examination of coronavirus COVID-19. For this course you will get a digital certificate, but for other courses you may not get it. So for this one, let's see some details now. So let me click on learn more here. So this course, an examination of coronavirus COVID-19, is a free course, and you can also get a free certificate once you complete the course. You can see that here the duration is self-paced, and you can get a digital participation certificate once you complete the course. And they have done other details like the modules in the course and what they will be examining in this course, and the course methodology. And in certificate you can see here, upon successfully completing the requirements of the course, students can elect to receive their digital certificate of participation. So you will get a digital certificate once you complete this course. And if you see this option here, digital participation certificate, you will get a certificate for those courses only. So we'll see some FAQs now, that is frequently asked questions. So this is a free course, as I said, and what materials are required. So all the required materials will be made available online. And one thing which you have to do is, if you want to join the live video sessions, you have to download the Zoom app. And who should take this course, they have done that also. And how can I learn more about the MPH degree from SGU? So they have given detail about their degree programs as well. You can click on it and see the details. And now let's see how to enroll in this course. So you can see here a button, enroll in OIH 7. So this is the course, an examination of coronavirus COVID-19. So simply click on enroll in OIH 7 here. So that's it. Now we have enrolled in this course, an examination of coronavirus COVID-19. You can see that under my courses list. And now you can click on view course button here and go to the course, an examination of coronavirus COVID-19, and start learning the course content. And once you complete the course, you can receive your free certificate from St. George University as well. And to explore other courses offered by St. George University, you can simply click on courses here. you will be directed to the course catalog page again, and in which you can see all the courses offered by St. George University. So as I said, you have a lot of courses here. You can simply click on it and see the details about the particular course. So all these courses are free, but remember that you can't get a free certificate for all the courses. Only for an examination of coronavirus COVID-19 course you can get a free certificate, and I don't know if any other course is available for getting a free certificate. So just check it, just check whether you can get a digital certificate for free. So I hope you like this video. This is the content for this video. St. George University is offering a lot of free courses. To get more updates about free online courses, course answers and internships, subscribe to answersQ and press the bell icon. And you can also connect with me on social media platforms like WhatsApp. I'll give you all the link in description. Check it out.
Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment if you need anything, and share this video with your friends. And thank you so much for watching this video till the end.